Good afternoon. Today I'm over at Reading, over with Ron's lovely Mercedes ML. This is the third car that Ron's had cleaned with us. I cleaned his previous silver ML last year, and he was really pleased with it. He's just taken this one over. Nice V6 engine car. And he's just asked me to do a maintenance clean on it, just to get it back in tip-top shape. The car has always been run on V-power, so Ron has elected not to have my stage 2 treatment at this visit. I have applied my stage 3 cleaner to clean the EGRs and free up the turbos, get those working correctly for him. And I've now got my hydrogen machine connected up, and we'll give this car a good half hour of hydrogen, and it should fly after that. Looking forward to getting a review from Ron. Really nice to see him again. Thanks, Ron.